Hi, we're Joe James from Stay Nutrition, and we're going to talk to you about, is fat loss harder as you get older?
And the answer is yes. There's different processes that occur that mean that fat loss as you age becomes harder. So what we need to focus on, and what we do with Sustain Nutrition, is to work on educating clients. So often people just follow systems. They go from plan to book to online resource, but they never actually learn what they're doing wrong. So when the system stops working for them, they don't know what to do next. And this is what we do, is by teaching people what you need to do in order to lose weight or to lose fat, then you're in control of the system and you're able to make the progress long term that you need to make.
So all systems will work by creating a calorie deficit. You'll drop fat, whether that be for 4, 8, 12 weeks. But that's quite short term. If you think when you stop doing this plan, you go back to the ways you were eating before, you stop eating their pre-packaged foods or following their plan, you go back to the habits and the foods that you were eating before that you enjoyed, and then you go back to that cycle, you gain the weight, and then you go back. So stop thinking short term and start thinking longer term, and that's what we do. We change lifestyles, we give education, and we give the support that you need, the confidence that you want to go out into the wide world and sustain your results.
When thyroid reduces and your metabolism reduces as you get older, then your body will burn less calories just being awake and moving around. This means you can't eat as much as you used to. It doesn't mean it's impossible for you to lose weight, and it just means that you need to control your food a little bit more or change your training. Traditionally, people have done stacks of cardio trying to lose weight. Weight training is becoming more of a focus now, because this will help you maintain muscle, it'll help your metabolism stay higher, and it'll keep you healthier. So not only will it improve your health, but it'll also help your fat loss.
So all of these things combined mean that you can definitely, the good news is, still achieve fat loss no matter how old you are. It's the simple laws of physics. So don't panic. If you want more information, if you want some free resources, then please like our page, Stay Nutrition, join our free support group, and we can help from there.